Okay, Game Center number 7 is called the Seekster Game Center. Seeksters are designed, they're another one of the game centers that are designed to help kids really master some information. So, first skill we're going to look at is times tables. The first group of Seekster puzzles say 2.1, 2.2, 3.1, 3.2, and they're based on the times table. So it works like this. In the 2 times table, we're going to do up to the 10th multiple. So we're looking for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. They are spelled out in here. So what I'm going to do is grab a pen real quick and let's start looking around. I see 12 right here. Oh, quick note, they're only up and down and sideways, no diagonals. I don't want the kids struggling too much. So there's 12, here's 2. And basically what I'm going to do is go around and find 2 and FOUR4 and SIX6. So I'm going to cheat and go to this one. Here, I've done it for you. So basically I went through and I found all 10 multiples of the 2 times table up to 20. Now, once you do that, that leaves certain letters not colored in. And what that means is there's going to be a hidden message. So if you start, it goes IT, it, IS, is, THE, just goes in order as we go. It is the, COLOR, the color, OF, of, BOTH, both, THE, the, SUN, or SU, I accidentally, this N shouldn't have been marked earlier. It was an accident. Sorry about that. Of the sun and a carrot. So the clue is it is the color of both the sun and a carrot. So of course the answer is orange, RAANGE. There will always be some letters at the bottom that don't get used, so at some point the message will just make sense, and then it'll allow you to get the thing at the bottom. The number of letters down here will change based on the answer. Here's what an answer key looks like. In the back of the Game Center, it has it listed for the teacher where I didn't put the extra letters in there, I left them out. Basically, here's where all of the multiples of 2 are on the sheet, and then here's the hidden clue message that has been removed. It is the color of both the sun and a carrot, and then the answer here is orange. So the beginning, I don't know, the first 20 or so puzzles are all multiplication based. And then we move on to other type things. So for example, this one, it says version DFP, that stands for decimal fraction percent. It's helping kids learn to master changing a decimal or a fraction to a percent. So for example, this one, 1/100th equals what percent? Well, we know that's 1%. So that means somewhere in here is the word ONE, and look at that, I found it. 0.03 or 300ths is 3%. So you look around and you find 3. You go around and you fill in, if you figure out these words, you go in and find them out. There will be a hidden message, and then they'll be able to find, I don't know what the clue is, but basically it's a 5-letter answer. Here's another one. This is called a fraction equivalency puzzle. 1/5 is equal to how many 30ths? Well, you and I both know that's equal to 6/30ths. So I'm looking for 6 on here, which I think is right here. 6. Then they'll go through 1/6 is 2/12. So looking for TWO on here somewhere, which I don't. Oh, here it is too. Wow, doing good. 2/12. Anyway, you go around, and then there will be a clue, and then the answer down the bottom. Same thing. Here's a percent equivalent. What fraction is equal to 25%? Well, the answer is 1/4. So we're looking for ONE. Oh, here it is. ONEFOURTH. And again, you go around and you find either the fraction or the percent, and it will, the letters that are left over will spell out a message, and then you'll get the answer. So that's basically how Seeksters work. They are all in the answer keys are all in the back, so each one has a corresponding sheet for the teacher that has exactly where the answers are, what the clue is, and then the exact answer. So that is the Seekster Game Center.